Hey everybody, welcome to Flowers Between Friends here at Len Bush Roses. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at Len Bush.
And I'm Kristin Thomas. I'm marketing coordinator here at Len Bush, and we are talking about beautiful, pretty pots.
Pottery.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited about this and talking about pottery today because we have some beautiful pottery pieces.
I feel like we kind of like upped a level.
We did.
Where just I feel like really high-end looking, beautiful pieces on their own.
So agreed.
Yeah. We haven't really done that before. Not
right.
to this level, at least.
Right. I think that part of it is, when we go to Atlanta twice a year and we buy, part of it is the new stuff that we're seeing. But you and I know, and many of our customers know as well, that home decor is so big right now.
It is.
Every single piece we're showing today could really be a home decor piece, but some more than others. And we're really going to show our customers today how these home decor pieces, once a plant is out of them or the flower arrangement, can really be a great piece for their customer.
Just on its own.
Yeah.
And going back to that, Georgia, I agree. But I also feel like everybody really should have some good pieces of pottery or containers that you have in your home, whether you're displaying them or they're tucked in a cabinet or something, but that's what you're using when you bring a new plant home. That immediately, kind of like we talked about in our last segment, that when you bring a plant home, whether it's a blooming or a green plant, you have these beautiful pieces that already go well in your home decor that you put the plant in.
Right. Yep. And you should have a couple pieces that you look at and very oftentimes go, ooh, I need to put something in there.
Yes.
Because that's just how it feels for your home.
Yep.
So
agreed.
So should we jump right into powerful pottery?
Powerful.
Impactful pottery.
Sometimes when peas will be spitting on each other.
Pretty pottery. Exactly.
What was in the pottery?
Let's jump in. Yeah. Okay. Well,
we can flip back and
forth. This guy's a neutral, isn't he? Oh, let's flip back and forth. Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. This guy's a neutral.
Isn't
he
neutral.
Kind of fun?
I go to like high-end neutral.
Yeah,
but
he is. Footed.
Yes,
he's got
three
little
right
feet.
now.
How cute is that? This is a silver platinum footed guy, and I'm amazed at how cute he is. I mean, well, he is because he's so simple.
He is.
He's so simple, and yet he's spot on home trend, isn't he?
Yep, agreed. Well, you throw those feet on and immediately you're probably seeing those everywhere.
Right.
But yep, I love that. And I'm not one, I talk about this a lot, that I don't go to like a metallic-y kind of look, but there's just something about
this one that's really good. And we've got some goldfish plant, but this is a 4-inch plant that I literally just dropped in here. We've got a lot of 4-inch plants, whether you want to do a goldfish or not.
Nice. Yeah.
But because he's so nice and neutral, we could do anything in there, right?
Of course.
Yeah,
Of course I'm going to try it. Then I'm going to struggle.
Yeah,
no, he's fine.
Right.
I just had to see.
So you can plant in there. You can do floral arrangements in here. How cool would this be with all whites or even then bright colors? Really, really cool piece. So he's easy to use. He's versatile. Great home decor piece.
Agreed.
He's going to walk
could have
out of your store on his cute little feet.
On his 3 feet. It's 3.
Exactly.
That's funny.
Okay. What do you
Let's jump
have?
to mine,
Oh my gosh, we've got
to ignore this one. This is the one that George and I have been like,
I love this.
How do you do your hearts? You
do
them different than
I do.
me, I think.
Yeah, heart. Okay, so you've got to give us hearts on this one because we love this guy.
And I will
Isn't he
compliment you,
beautiful?
Georgia. You did a great job. This is
Thank
a beautiful arrangement.
Thank you.
I cannot take credit. It's just in front of me. Happens to be in front of me. So hard not to just look at the flowers and the pretty arriment, but it is in such a cool pot.
It is.
Yep. And what do we call this? One's called
the Ayer vase.
Ayer,
Ayer
A-Y-E-R vase. Yep. Kind of almost like, I want to say, it feels that if you could see it close up or whatever, it's kind of got a speckled stone look.
Yes.
Almost like a rock.
It's
kind
got
of more of a natural
hand-hewn look.
Yep.
Hand-hewn, totally.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
I mean, can you just see my excitement? I love this.
Yeah, I know. Well, no, does this one come just in this size?
No. Well, yes and no, because he has a partner that's, instead of called another vase in a different size, it's actually a bowl. So he's squattier, and he's more round and squatty, about this big. I mean, we'll put all this information on the little blip later, the blurb later, right? We will. Nice. We'll get it out there for you. But he does have a partner. Okay. It's just not a vase. He's called a bowl, but he can certainly be used as a squattier vase. That's what he is.
And as a display in a store, how nice to have the matching pieces, the coordinating pieces. It would be really pretty.
We really did injustice. I should have brought another piece up here, that little partner to put with him. But
those of our customers can go in the cart and see it.
But right beautiful. I mean, isn't this a cool piece, guys? It's so amazingly cool.
Yep.
And that hand-hewn look, it's so big right now. Yeah. It's just home decor.
And if somebody doesn't understand really exactly what that means, I mean, when I feel it, I can feel that it's got the texture and it's not perfectly straight.
It's not, and it's not supposed to be. That's the hand-hewn part, is that it looks like it was hand pottered, hand shaped.
Got it.
Yeah, not manufactured. So.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, go to our favorite one on the side. Because we both love it.
Well, which one? Because I love both of these over here.
Well, I'm going to
this one. Okay, yeah, I love this guy. Okay, so this guy here is called the Julian Compote. He's so cool. And at first, Kristin and I looked at him and just kind of went, oh my lands, he's striking. He's an eye catcher. He's so smooth and sleek, isn't he? And just perfectly shaped. He's a beautiful compote.
I love compotes.
And we both looked at this and went, oh, what a great home decor piece to have in your entryway and throw keys in, and or just little dimes or change, or just to have sitting on your counter with some, I don't know, shells or beads or little, cute little.
Or if you have 4 little ones under the age of 12, it's all the stuff.
Yeah.
We have a container on our counter that ends up with the little trinkets.
But the cool thing is this is a really nice upper end, like you said earlier, home decor piece. But then I was thinking about, okay, wait a minute, our stores need to put flowers in these things. It's just not, we're just not in the business of supplying you home decor items. We want them to be versatile. So what do you think I had to do with him? I made him a cute little garden. So you take this compote, you make him into a cute little garden. You couldn't put a little flower arrangement in here. You can put some oasis in the bottom and have a cute little pave. Wouldn't this be adorable?
Love that.
With a pave arrangement coming out of this. But I decided to make him an adorable little garden and pop these out the door, especially right now for Easter, Mother's Day coming up. And not only sell this in your store, it's not only this cute little garden or this little pave arrangement, but the gift, the home decor item that moms, ladies, dads, friends, whomever will have when you're done with this little guy. This is just a striking piece that you're going to want in your stores too.
Did you have to use extra soil, just a little bit extra soil? So you took them out of the pots that they were growing in?
I took some bulbs out, exactly. Took some bulbs out, and then I just had one of the little 2-inch calanchos that we grow here. And I just put some soil in, popped them in, and put a little bit of green moss around it. And just tuck in little butterflies. And simply cute. And this guy, big dollars. You're gonna really get some big dollars for this guy. It's a great value.
Great
gift. He's a beautiful, one of my favorites. And then this guy is one of my second favorites.
That's a really pretty pot.
Oh my lands, he's the blue-gray striped pot with saucer. Now he comes in 2 sizes. This is the smaller size, the 3.5. And all I did was pop out of its container a 3-inch plant, which I love the panda plant. And I thought color-wise, he looks so cute in this.
Yeah, it doesn't even look real.
I know. And there is a hole in here. Kristin was asking, I wonder if water drains out. I said, like a real yes, it is.
Yeah,
it's got a little pot in here, so it will drain out a little bit. It's the perfect little plant then for the little tidbits that you want to sell. I mean, these little plants, you want a cute little something to put on someone's desk. These kind of things go. They really move.
Yeah.
Imagine having these in your store and having an assortment of a couple different plants in here or a 3-inch succulent in here. Those things are really going to move. This is just a trendy looking guy.
You just said tidbit, and something I thought of is that something else if you want to go, okay, yeah, great, plant looks awesome. What about using it also, you're putting your piece of oasis inside, and your tidbits that you get when you're making arrangements. You all know, those of you when you're the holidays, what the stems that break too short to use in a big arrangement, you always have a collection. And this would be such a cute little container sitting on your counter as you're working, putting in your little tidbits, and this would end up being just a
sticking in your cooler.
Oh my gosh!
After you're done,
this would fly out the door. I just can see it Mother's Day.
It's adorable. So this guy is you need him. You really need to get him in your stores because
I like that size.
He's just I know, isn't it? Just, look at how cute. Another love. Okay, another little heart. Yeah, you gotta love this guy. He's so.
Can you tell Georgia loves pottery?
I really do love pottery. When was the pottery was big? What, in the 70s, mid 70s?
Yeah.
I was born in the 60s. I guess by that time I was, I love pottery. So.
Now this one we made the mistake and did not remember the name of it.
We can't remember, but we're gonna
we'll have the code on for you, the description.
Yep,
exactly.
And
cute little watermelon peperomia. Peperomia is very, very on trend right now.
They sure are.
People love it, and we have quite a few right now available.
There's so many varieties, yes. And right now the watermelon peperomia, we've got a fair amount right now. So, but that's right now. Means don't wait till Friday to try to get some watermelon peperonias because. Everybody else watching this is going to get them first.
Well, yeah, absolutely. And again, you can see how quickly, I mean, literally this sits almost perfectly in this pot.
Yep.
And that's all you have to do, drop it in. any 4-inch plant, green plant would fit very nicely in here. And it is just
and
a
the
great
colors
neutral.
are so neutral.
Very neutral. We said neutral almost the same time.
Yes.
Yep, it is.
And Kristin, have you noticed how much speckling is in right now?
I
Take
can't
a look
believe
at
how
what we've got out here,
Yeah.
actually. Oh my, I mean, gosh, speckled, kind of speckled.
Yeah.
Speckled. Speckling is really big. Again,
so.
wow.
Who knew?
Okay, that's a speckled powerful pottery.
Yeah. So speaking of speckled.
Yes.
I guess that was one too many times.
Oh my gosh, this is like Sally sells seashells at the seashore.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, talk about this guy, Kristin.
Omni. Omni is the name of this little guy.
Pull him out of the way
and
for a
it does
minute.
have feet, but kind of different feet, as you can see. It
He's
has
adorable.
This nice round shape that kind of makes it a little bit funky.
And he comes in 2 sizes as well.
This is the bigger one. Yes,
yeah.
I would hope so.
The omni-footed pot.
What is sitting inside is a beautiful anthurium, a 6-inch, and it does drop in really nicely.
Right.
So And you said you actually tried something that was a little bit shorter and wider, and that actually looked really nice too. So it doesn't have to be an upright.
Right. The first thing that I put in here when I went downstairs was a 6-inch blue star fern. And it looked beautiful in there. But then I thought, okay, I'm thinking a little bit more pop of color coming, a little bit tropical, a little bit more, because this guy is so kind of retro-y, unique.
Right.
He's really a funky container. And we're just going to call him a funky container. He's the funky omni-footed pot. The funky omni-footed pot. But I just,
I'm not going to even try.
We're not going to go there, huh?
I get another 6-inch.
Look at, drop the bromeliad in and look at. It is just so cute.
Done.
This guy is going to sell himself. You put something funky in here like an anthurium or a bromeliad and look at him.
I love that.
It's just, he's really.
I think this is I really like that in there.
Fabulous. So are you telling me that's going to disappear later today?
I'm just telling you that.
Yeah, you really like it. It's going to disappear. That means AKA she's taking it home.
She's learned after a couple years of doing this.
Okay, now we've got this guy, the beige pottery vase, and look at, he's just so pretty. He's gentle.
Yep.
He kind of feels more farmhouse to me.
Yes, I agree.
The trendy farmhouse.
Yep, reminds me of a milk jug kind of, that's why.
Absolutely. So again, talking floral tidbits, like when you're designing, here's a great little pot that you can have to put those little tidbits in, and that's exactly what I did. I was designing yesterday some bigger pieces and doing some bouquets, and all my little tidbits went in here.
Yeah,
I didn't cut anything down for this. I actually picked up my little tidbits and popped them in here.
Yep,
the things that I just had too short.
And for Mother's Day.
I know. Look at this. This is perfect.
Love that.
And he's really smooth. He's rough on the top, smooth on the bottom. I love how we're mixing those textures.
Yeah.
And along with speckled, because sometimes the speckled will be raised, like this air pot, he has a texture, doesn't he?
Yes.
He's really crazy. I just love that. And I'm loving how we are now taking into our pottery pieces and other pieces, even textiles and pillows and sofas and furniture. They're just mixing in a texture that just makes you want to feel it, touch it, and not put it down. And that's what you want your customers to do. You want them to not put it down, walk out the door with something. So this is our fun little beige pottery vase.
And then behind you?
So, yes. So, do you want to talk about that one? Or you want to talk about
you do that. We'll do this one at the end.
The gamma pot.
Yeah.
Isn't he fun?
I really like this shape too.
Guys, first of all, this guy here, this home decor piece, I think out of everything sitting here, home decor piece that you can do so much with, Kristin. I think this guy might
kind of like
have
your
to
staple.
go
this
home
one
with me.
With you.
Yeah, he might want. I think he wants to go home with me. Yes,
okay.
Because look at this guy. First of all, imagine putting a floral arrangement in here. You could put an asymmetrical floral arrangement in here, a round floral, something elegant, something fun, something like this. I mean, just all of these, greens and just some really cool tropical, unique flowers in the center. But think about what your customer can do with this, what you can tell your customer they can do with this when they get this home. In a couple weeks when the flowers are done or when they pull out the plant or they do something different, this can be sitting on somebody's kitchen counter with wooden spoons in it, spatulas in it.
Yep.
Oh my lands, this is the cutest thing for sitting on counters. Or even just a pottery piece in the center of a table with a couple other things around it.
Good multi-use.
A good multi-use, perfect. So this is the gamma pot. He comes in 2 sizes as well, and I'm thinking this is the large one, but I might be off on that. Maybe there's one a little bigger. But they also have a third piece in this set, and he comes up. He's a little bit more shaped like this. So take a look, go out and search Gamma. Otherwise, we can put all of those on, right? We can kind of list all of those.
Sometimes it's fun to go and look, but
Because this guy actually has a couple different partners and friends that go with him.
Yeah. In a display, that would be great.
Exactly. It would be an awesome display for your store.
Sorry,
but
what were you going to say?
What I did is I simply took an orchid, dropped him in there. Look at perfect fit. Isn't that awesome? And orchids are such a trendy plant.
They are.
Everybody still wants them, and what a cool piece.
I was going to say, too, those florists, that orchids are kind of their own.
Yeah.
I mean, they're a 5-inch pot. So we always say, oh, I wonder if that would fit an orchid.
Right.
Sometimes it's challenging to find a pot that fits an orchid perfectly because they're 5-inch instead of 4 or 6.
Yes.
So for those of you who like to do orchids in your store, which you should, perfect fit for an orchid.
It's totally different than a regular orchid pot because orchid pots
Yes.
all have that shape.
Yep.
This is totally different than an orchid pot, and he fits in perfect.
And because it goes wide on the bottom, it makes it more stable too.
It is
something that's
very stable
like this.
Yep, absolutely. And again, talking about that texture, what I love to talk about because I'm such a textile person. This has a horizontal ridge that I can feel, and it has a little bit of a dimpling on that from that speckle.
I can see that even by looking at it.
Yeah, it's just really a beautiful piece. So
love it.
Love this one too. Okay, over to yours, Kristin.
Okay, so this is not really fitting our categories because we're doing more home decor. But this one, because Mother's Day is coming,
and it is pottery.
And it is pottery.
And it's pretty pottery.
It is. We just love this vase. We actually have a special buy going on right now for it. We have it on our cart, and you will also see it in, I think we actually put it on social media too. But I guess the biggest thing that I noticed when I saw it, besides the cute shape, and again, you always talk about this.
I know, the texture.
The texture again. I saw the heart and I thought, what a great way to personalize it, you florists. Get some really pretty fine tip pens and offer to your customer to put something on anything, whether it's just mom or their name or maybe a special little quote. Fine tip like gold or silver pen would be so cute to have. And now they have a keepsake, maybe a date on the back of
Kristin,
the year.
I love that.
Yeah.
What a great idea.
As soon as I saw that,
that's why she's my partner. Two brains together. Look at what we come up with.
You think of things I don't, that's
Kristin,
for sure.
That's a beautiful idea. I love that. Yeah. What a cool personal, and you can personalize right there. They could just
absolutely.
You could ask the name of somebody's mom and just personalize it. Linda.
Yep.
Mine would be Linda. Yours would be
my mom.
Your mom. Yeah.
Mary Lou.
Mary Lou. There you go. So it could just be so cool. I couldn't. I just always call your mom.
Yeah,
I just couldn't remember her name. It's gone.
No.
But look at how pretty it is with just tulips in it, which Mom loves tulips.
Yep.
But this could also be gorgeous with a beautiful floral arrangement. This could be gorgeous with a couple hydrangeas and some fern coming out of there.
Love it, love it. And actually, I think you did that beautiful piece we did on a flyer. That was much more of a mixed, really pretty feminine piece that you did.
Piece.
I like to see it more simple. Also, though,
I know.
Hey, a bunch of tulips popped in, and this is just going to get prettier and prettier. These tulips are opening. So
it is. It's going to get more beautiful, right?
Yep.
Absolutely. So this guy is he's a hot sell item right now, right?
Yep. Absolutely special buy. When they're gone, they're gone.
So exactly, because Mother's Day, this is perfect for Mother's Day. Everybody's booking right now for Mother's Day, and they're getting all of their pottery. So make sure you don't waste a couple days waiting on him. He's going to go.
Yep, agreed. I feel like that one might need to be a she.
Yes, you're right. It is a she.
We always
You're
do
so
that,
right.
I do feel like it's a little bit.
It is a she. Yep.
Yeah.
And I just love the ceramic feel. Sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, even listen, see. It's got a ceramic sound.
There's a name for that, Georgia. People that like textures and all that.
I know. I'm so textile. I really am. It's part of the creative spirit, isn't it?
Yeah, agreed.
Was there anything we missed? Did we not talk about anything?
I think we got it all.
Yeah. I think we did too.
Go in our cart and you get a gander. There are some pieces, beautiful pieces that we had that we didn't showcase, but it'll maybe get you in there. Even if you do pottery as a search on our cart, you will find pretty much everything we have.
And so many others that we couldn't put into this today.
Yeah,
I mean, maybe we'll have to do version 2, power, impactful, pretty powerful pottery, version 2 or something.
Yeah, for sure. We've got options.
Yeah, we do.
So
absolutely.
Hopefully you have a beautiful spring week, and we'll see you next time.
Have a good day, everyone.